Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix the user intervention required error in Windows 11 for the printer. So it's a very simple process and let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your start menu button and type in services. Okay, enter on that and this window should pop up. Now once you're here, you're going to find print spooler. Okay, so scroll down until you find P, and then in here you can see something says print spooler. So you're only going to right click on this and click on restart, and this should be done. Okay, so once this done, you're going to close this and that error should be fixed. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.